Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how we can use the active trader on ThinkorSwim to get executed for our option trades faster. So to start off, we're going to come to the top right up here. Right now we only have one window selected. We're going to select two. And we're going to come up top here to the little symbol link. You can pick any number or color you want. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose green, number 4. Next we'll go to trade. And here we're going to select the contract that you'd want to trade. So let's say I want to buy these 376 strike uh, SPY calls. We're going to, sorry about that. We're going to click anywhere inside the box and we're going to send it to that same color and number that we picked before. So since I chose number 4 green, I'm going to choose number 4 green again. And we can go back to our charts, and you should see that option contract that we just picked is now charted on our second chart. We don't actually care what the chart looks like here, so we're just going to get rid of this and click the little chart tab on the right, and we're going to open up Active Trader. Now here with the Active Trader, we can go into our settings. It comes default as buy market, sell market. If you want to, you could add buy ask, buy bid. So let's just say I want to buy the ask. I could add the item, click on it, and we'll just move it up top. So we'll hit OK, and you'll see it'll pop up in our little bar up here. We also have a drop down menu here, so you could change the number of contracts that you want to buy. So let's just say I want to buy 4 for this video, and I wanted to buy market. We could also turn on auto send, so we won't have to confirm anything. And let's say we're waiting for a break above 375.77 here. Let's just say it breaks above. We could buy market, and our order automatically gets placed. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Same thing, vice versa. If you want to sell those contracts, let's say we're in profit, all we would do is just hit the sell market button, and it's going to sell those 4 contracts that we just bought.